Okay, to get started on my fajita chicken soup, I've got some avocado oil. I'll add some to the pot, probably about 2 tablespoons. Then I've got 3 chicken breasts cut up in fajita style strips. I've got some bell peppers cut up, red, yellow, and orange, and then I've got a whole onion. That was 5 of the mini baby bell peppers, and then 1 whole onion. I'm going to drizzle a little bit more avocado oil. Okay. Now I want to add chili powder. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And a tablespoon of garlic powder. Got some of these minced onions. I'm going to use a tablespoon of those. We'll use 2 teaspoons of onion powder. About a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika. I've got some of this dried cilantro. I'll add a tablespoon of that. And then I've got some cayenne pepper. I'm just going to shake some of it. Give it a good stir. That smells so good. You can use your own taco seasoning, or you can just use a pouch of taco seasoning if you don't want to use these ingredients. Just add a pouch of taco seasoning. Okay, now to this, I want to add 32 ounces of chicken broth. I got a can of rinsed black beans. I got a can of these petite diced tomatoes with green chilies with lime and cilantro. And those. I'm going to add a pint of my freshly canned tomatoes that I did. Smells so good. gonna bring this to a boil. Then I'm gonna cover and let it simmer. Okay, I'm gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. See if I need to add any seasonings to it. All it needs is some salt and it will be delicious. Has a really good flavor. Just needs a little bit more salt. Taste it again. Oh yeah, that's delicious.